Subliminals have been around for a long time, but they are not well understood. They are much more than just a tool to help you sleep better, lose weight, and become rich and wealthy. They can be used to reprogram your subconscious mind and overall transform your life. The first step is to understand what subliminals are and how they work. Subliminals can be in the form of sound, text, or images. The most common way is through audio recordings that contain messages that repeat at low volumes beneath the level of conscious human hearing. Subliminals are messages that can be embedded in music, videos, and other media. They can be used to help people change their thoughts and behaviors. There is a lot of research that has been done on how subliminal messages work and what they can do for you. These messages are often used in self-help audio MP3s and overall, the commercial media. You should always look for whether the subliminal product comes from a credible source. A professional credible source that has studied, analyzed, and greatly understands the subconscious mind and subliminals. Also, who has great personal experience using subliminals and can provide great practical knowledge of them. There are many random people and companies online and especially on YouTube who create subliminals. A large portion of them are not credible professional sources. Many of them are random people who got the idea to create their own subliminals for YouTube to get views and subscribers more than anything else. There are very few people who have actually done the due diligence to study and understand the subconscious mind and subliminals. Very few who actually know what they are talking about and know what they are doing when it comes to the creation of and utilization of subliminals. Before actually truly understanding and using subliminals, many people expect to quickly experience major results. Most people who decide to use them don't understand that there are more subtle results than actual major ones to perceive. The top main subtle results are new thoughts, ideas, and internal feelings. These are usually the very first indicators that the subliminal product is actually working for you. The longer you utilize the subliminal product, the stronger these results will become, and you will start to experience other results also. Overall, patience is the ultimate key when it comes to utilizing subliminals and getting results. When it comes to getting your subliminals from a professional credible source with great knowledge of the subconscious mind and subliminals, NeoOneness Subliminals is the best source. NeoOneness Subliminals is a professional personal development service dedicated to helping transform people to become the best version of themselves. We offer professional quality subliminals that effectively and efficiently reprogram your subconscious mind to transform any aspect of yourself and life. Our specialty is custom audio subliminals designed specifically for you and your life desires. Visit our website link in the description, browse through our audio subliminals, and download your first subliminal to use now.